Hey, hope you guys are doing well. I got the K&F Concept Polarizer and ND Filter lens kit. This thing's really nice, and I love how the packaging comes. I'm going to show you what this is like in just a moment, but it has a nice magnet for the opening, and we do get a nice strap on the back here, so you can strap this to your bag for quick and easy access, because this is something I'd probably keep on the outside of my bag just so I can use it. Nice key ring up here. Let's open this up. So as you open this up, you get a nice contrast with the orange. I love that because it's just super subtle, but then as soon as you open it, it just pops immediately. But we're gonna have these really nice lenses that I'm gonna pull out in a minute, and we got the ND filters. Everything's gonna be packaged really nice, but you can store this away really easily, and it's just gonna be absolutely perfect. So this is the ND, so let's go ahead and throw these on. All right, so after you unpackage this, you're gonna have a really nice cover, and I love how K&F's colors are orange and black. I just think that looks really nice. But they got the logo on here. This is just gonna be a cover for your lens, and you are gonna just take this off, and this is gonna be the actual ring that you're gonna twist onto your camera. There is a thread on this one. So there is a thread on this one, and then the lenses are gonna go just over it. So I'm gonna show you. All right, so this is gonna be my clear polarizer, and then you just put that on just like that, and it's just going to stick right on. And another thing I like about this is it actually has grips. If you can see these little ridges in here, there's like a texture to it. You can actually take it off a little bit easier with that grip on and off. So I like how it goes on there. Each one of these is going to show what it does. So this is my clear polarizer lens. This is going to really help with like reflections on water, glasses, and cars, auto glass. And then this one is going to be the ND64. So you can see that's a little bit darker, give a little bit more definition to the image. And then we also have an ND8 as well, but I'm going to show you how this goes onto the lens. Okay, so I got my camera, and I'm just gonna twist this on, going on pretty easily. Okay, so that ended up going all the way to right at that point, and it stops. Now I'm gonna take my clear polarizer, and you can see that outside in the light. That looks so nice. Has a really nice film and tint to it, and then that just pops right on, so you can see how quick and easy that is. And it's a lot easier to take it off with the texture. So that just goes right on. It doesn't need to spin like this, but I'm just showing you that it can. Once that is fully screwed on, this comes off so fast and easy. That is really nice. So if you're on the go, I get a couple other here lenses, so we'll just take the ND64 and then throw that on. So if you're mid-shoot, this is really nice because you could just take it on and off. Some people don't like to have a variable lens that adjusts, and they like to actually have the exact ND that they need, so there's no change whatsoever, and it's always super consistent. This is really nice for that. And then at the very end, we are going to take our K&F cover, and then we can just put that on, and then that's just going to seal the deal and make the camera really protected and nice. So this kit is awesome. I absolutely love it. Very easy to use, super practical. I'm going to be using it all the time, but I'm a huge fan, so don't forget to add this to your cart. It's a must-have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.